Are you looking for the best LED printers? In this video we will look at some of the best LED printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother MFCL 8900 CDW LED printers. The Brother MFCL 8900 CDW is an all-in-one laser printer that produces documents and images in either black and white or color. With a 70-sheet capacity auto feeder, you can quickly scan and copy large stacks of documents. The legal-size glass flatbed lets you scan or copy larger images and documents. It has a 250-sheet capacity letter paper tray for standard printing and a 50-sheet multi-purpose tray for custom print jobs. You can buy higher capacity trays to have a maximum input of 1,300 sheets, meaning you'll spend much less time refilling your printer. It can print up to 33 pages per minute, letting you quickly finish small and large print jobs alike and get back to other tasks. The 5-inch color touch screen makes it easy to access functions, menus, and security. A built-in NFC card reader lets you set up authorized user access with employee ID cards to prevent misuse and wasteful printing. You can scan documents and images with mobile devices via Wi-Fi and gigabit Ethernet connectivity, as well as to employee email and cloud storage services. With super high-yield toner cartridges, you can print up to 6,500 pages before needing to replace them. This printer is rated for a 60,000 page monthly volume, making it perfect for larger offices. At number 2, Canon Class MF743 CDW LED printers. Another great all-in-one laser printer is the Canon Color Image Class MF743 CDW. This unit can print up to 28 pages per minute, and with single-pass duplex scanning, you can quickly copy and scan large projects. It comes with a 250-page letter paper tray and a 50-sheet multi-purpose tray, and an optional 550-sheet tray is available if you need a larger input capacity. It's compatible with iOS and Android mobile devices, so you can scan and print from your commute or home office. It's also compatible with Windows and Mac computers, so no matter what your office uses, everyone will be able to connect. The 5-inch color touch screen has intuitive controls for accessing functions, menus, and settings options. With high-yield toner cartridges, you can print almost 6,000 color pages or 7,600 monochrome pages. This makes it a great option for home offices and smaller storefronts. Designed for small and medium-sized businesses, the Canon Color Image Class MF743 CDW offers feature-rich capabilities with high quality and minimal maintenance. Print, scan, copy and fax capabilities help you accomplish necessary tasks with just one machine. A 5-inch color touch screen delivers an intuitive user experience and can be customized by a device administrator to simplify many daily tasks. At number 3, HP LaserJet Pro M402N LED printers. HP's LaserJet Pro M402N accomplishes something most printers cannot. It pleases just about everybody. First, it has an attractive, compact design that will fit in just about any workspace. The white minimalist laser printer is incredibly fast, especially for its price range. It can print up to 40 pages of black and white prints per minute, and the first page prints as fast as 6.4 seconds. Anyone in your office can take advantage of the speed, thanks to wireless printing and easy mobile printing. AirPrint and Ethernet make this an ideal printer for up to 10 users, while advanced security options mean that sensitive information will not fall into the wrong hands. These features make this perfect for any office with different departments and levels of security clearance. While this printer only prints in black and white, it accommodates a variety of media sizes. including envelopes and labels. Printing performance and robust security built for how you work. This capable printer finishes jobs faster and delivers comprehensive security to guard against threats. Original HP toner cartridges with jet intelligence give you more pages. At number 4, Brother MFCL 5700 DW LED printers. If you need an enterprise solution for your printing, this Brother MFCL 5700 DW is both affordable and capable of high-yield workloads. It has a 300-sheet paper capacity that is expandable up to 1,340 sheets with add-on trays. With automatic duplex printing, a 50-page auto document feeder and up to 42 pages per minute speed, even large print jobs go by quickly. And if you're churning out hundreds of pages a day, the 8,000-page high-yield toner cartridge will save time and money. Business owners will also appreciate efficient features such as simultaneous operation and a 3.7-inch LCD touchscreen that lets you scan to the cloud, print wirelessly and automatically reorder on Amazon. Brother all-in-one laser printer MFCL 5700 DW was engineered to help enhance your workflow's productivity with the print and copy speed of up to 42 pages per minute. 2. This high-performance all-in-one produces professional spreadsheets, reports, correspondence, and other important business documents with crisp graphics and text. At number 5, HP Color LaserJet Pro M454 DW LED printers. If your office or business primarily deals with color printing, the HP Color LaserJet Pro M454 DW will be an excellent fit. It's compatible with both high-resolution and glossy photo paper, so you can print high-quality pictures, flyers, and postcards. It has a 600 pip, so colors and details never look muddy. It's also Pantone calibrated for color accuracy. It has a 150 sheet output tray and combined 300 sheet input, so you can quickly print large numbers of flyers and images. It can print up to 28 pages per minute and features automatic duplex printing to help save time and printing costs. With a USB port on the front, you can walk up to the unit and print directly from flash drives and other external memory storage devices. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi direct connectivity, you can print from your Linux, Windows, or Mac computer and iOS or Android mobile devices with or without an internet connection. It also features an automatic on/off function to save energy and automatic threat detection to alert you to unauthorized access. If you have an Amazon Echo, you can download the HP Printer Skill for hands-free control via Alexa. At number 6, Brother HLL 5100 DN LED printers. If you're looking to buy a reliable laser printer but don't want to spend a fortune, the Brother HLL 5100 DN is a great, budget-friendly choice. This printer can produce up to 42 pages per minute, and it offers automatic duplex printing to save even more time. It has a 300 sheet input capacity, but there are more trays available to bring your input up to a maximum of 1,340 sheets. With 1,200 pip, you'll get crisp, clean monochrome text and images that are easy to read and look professional. It has Ethernet connectivity, so you can print from cloud storage services like Google Drive and iCloud. High-yield toner cartridges are available which let you print up to 8,000 pages per month. For security, you can set up individual PIN IDs for your employees to prevent misuse and unauthorized access to the printer. It has a deep sleep mode to help save on energy costs when not in use. Help increase your productivity with a black print speed of up to 42 parts per million. 250 sheet capacity paper tray adjustable for letter or legal, plus a 50 sheet capacity multi-purpose tray for envelopes or alternative media types. Total capacity expandable to 1,340 sheets with optional add-on trays. Easily share with others via built-in Ethernet networking or print locally via USB interface. Help save paper and create two-sided documents with automatic duplex printing.